Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install iOS 27 developer beta on your iPhone. First, go to settings, then go to general and software update. Here you will see the latest iOS available for your device. Now tap on beta updates. If you already enrolled in Apple beta program, you will see iOS 27 beta listed here. Simply select it, go back, and the update will appear automatically. If you don't see the beta updates option, don't worry, this is what you need to do. Go out of the settings app and open Safari and go to beta.apple.com. If it is your first time, tap sign up and register using your Apple ID. If you have already joined before, simply sign in. Once signed in, just scroll through this agreement and tap agree. Select iOS here and scroll down until you find this option that says enroll your iOS device. Just tap on it. Apple will always remind you to create a backup before installing the beta. This is highly recommended because in case something goes wrong, you'll be able to restore your iPhone later. Now you have successfully enrolled for iOS 27 beta program, so just tap open beta updates. You should now see iOS 27 developer beta available here. Select it and return to the software update screen. Here you can find iOS 27 beta ready to download. So the update size is about 9.4 gigabytes. Just tap update now and enter your passcode if prompted and begin the download. Depending on your available storage, you may need to free up some space before the installation can continue. So once the download is completed, your iPhone will restart and install iOS 27 automatically. After updating, you will access all the latest iOS 27 features. For example, there's updated lock screen clock, improvements to Apple Intelligence, and enhancements to apps like Image Playground, where you can generate image simply by describing what you want. You will also find a new slider that lets you adjust the intensity of liquid glass effect, allowing you to choose between more transparent look and a more frosted appearance. So this gives you a much more control over the overall design. The liquid glass interface itself remains largely the same, but it feels more refined and polished compared to the previous version. So those are some of the new features you can look forward to with iOS 27 developer beta. Let me know in the comments if you have installed it already, whether you are experiencing any bugs or how the update is working for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next video.